full 100-foot wide lot on Lakeshore Road, direct lake access, and modern architectural plans by David Small Designs. Welcome to 1360 Lakeshore Road West in Oakville. I'm Tara Alkhalisi with Tara Realty Team. This is one of the few remaining wide lot waterfront properties in the area, and it's ready for your vision to become reality. Inside, the raised bungalow offers more than 2,200 square feet on the main level. Floor-to-ceiling windows capture panoramic views of the lake from both the main and lower levels. The dining room is a standout surrounded by glass and flooded with natural light. The main level also includes 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including the primary suite that opens to a private deck with gorgeous lake views. The walkout lower level adds even more living space with a rec room, games area, and full bathroom. Bright, spacious, and perfect for guests or a quiet retreat. Out back, it's peaceful and private. Walk right to the water's edge or sit on the shoreline and enjoy the city skyline. And if you're interested in building on a lakefront lot, that's an option too. The architectural plans by David Small Designs are ready to go, saving you time and stress. Waterfront, privacy, and potential right here on Lakeshore Road West in Oakville. To view this home in person, feel free to connect with me. I'm Tara Alkhalisi with Tara Realty Team.